welcome to Behind the Bar with JMac. My name is Melissa. Today we're going to be making green tea shots. So what you'll need is a shaker full of ice, 2 ounces of Jameson, 2 ounces of peach tree schnapps, 2 ounces of sour mix, and a little bit of Sprite. This recipe will yield 4 shots. So we're going to start with our Jameson. We're going to do 2 ounces, and then you'll add your peach tree schnapps. Again, same 2 ounces. And then you're going to mix in your sour mix. It's going to be equal parts, so we're going to do another 2 ounces. And then you'll mix that with your shaker. Fun fact, Jameson is actually the one who introduced this recipe, so this is their drink. So we're going to pour. You want to leave a little room up top to add your Sprite. That'll help blend the flavors together so it's not so tart, make it a little bit sweet. And then you'll add your Sprite. And there's really no measurement for that, just throw a splash on the top. And you're all set. Enjoy!